Hi, welcome to Aruba, the place where beaches are the main attraction. Sea, sky, and white sands join to form a magnificent spectacle at Eagle Beach, one of the most beautiful beaches in the world. Enjoy this prestigious beach right at your doorstep from your permanent vacation home here at Levant. This 108 square meters furnished unit is available for sale, featuring kitchen and pantry, integrated laundry room, living and dining room, master room with walk-in closet and bathroom, one guest bedroom with bathroom and built-in closet, and a convenient extra guest bathroom for visitors while enjoying the magnificent view from the front beach terrace. For more information, please contact Jacqueline Trump at 297-566-9972 or email jacquelinemtrump@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.